shop for me HD for baby a year foreigners. It's mechanic training, but I had an issue, a problem, a very serious one, that I was brought to the prison, this one prison. I learned a lot. I've learned a lot from my mistakes. I got here, I met my sisters here too, and I realized food was a problem because there are plenty. It's not only one. It's so easy to take care of one person. When I'm home, what I eat 3 times on a day. So I realized that I have to bring them foodstuffs, water to drink, so that they can relax. As I was also being patient and relaxed, to God answer my prayers and rescue me from the prison. Though my case is still in court, but I still pray to God that God will see me through to it so that I will be free. So I came, before I left the prison, I made a promise that I would donate to the same prison, Nsawam prison, where they brought me, because they treated me good, the officers. I won't lie. They were like, Poloo, but the day they brought you, you were looking nice. Look at you. Now, we spread in nephew. They were pumping me. They would go and buy me fried jam if I don't want to eat even the prison food. Because they could see that I'm slimming down. You see, they are so sweet. I swear, the prison officers, they are so sweet. Some from the mail of yard coming to see me, telling me, feel free, even if the 90 days you spend here. We are all human. We don't kill them here. We will stay here. They made me, but it was inside my mind that I'm in prison. So I was still slimming down. And God's grace, I'm out to see sunlight and to talk to my son, to talk to my pastor and all my sisters and brothers. It's enough for me not to sit down and say that I won't come and help my sisters. So that is why I brought all this. This is 55 bags of water. 55 bags of water. This is 50 rice. No, we have 5 here, so it will be